Hi and welcome to this year's Ugly Christmas Sweater. So for this year's sweater, I have chosen the theme of Stranger Things, as you can see. The sweater is just a stock sweater that I got at Target, but I love the show and so I thought I could do some really fun things by modding the sweater after I bought it. So I added a little pouch to the front made out of this some felt and sparkly material. And in there I've got an Adafruit Flora and a Lilypad Mp3 player. I've been using the same Lilypad Mp3 player for several years in a row now. It's kind of an expensive piece of equipment, but it's still working well for me, and as long as the solder joints hold up, we'll keep it going. And then it also has an Adafruit Bluefruit LE, the wearable version of their Bluetooth module. And then this year I decided to go with Neopixel dots on a string. So these were way easier to assemble than the individual Neopixels, but the downside, of course, is I didn't have as much freedom as to how they were laid out. But I did have a good time laying out the Neopixels, and then I just kind of scrunched up some black tulle and sewed it all over the sweater so it kind of looks like it came from the upside down. And there are thin speakers right here on either side of the main characters so you can hear the sound effects. So I'll show you what I did with it this year. So first of all, there's the Bluefruit app on my phone, and on the Bluefruit app I can use the little game controller to put it in different modes, and then I click color picker and I can pick different colors to send to the Neopixels. So there's pink, and there's green, and there's blue. So once you get done sending colors to the Neopixels, one feature, of course, is that it plays the Stranger Things theme song, and you activate that by pushing button 2. I had a lot of fun with that theme song. Toward the end, I kind of give a shout out to each member of the cast, and there are 2 Neopixels over 11's head, so those activate whenever she's being called upon. So the next feature is I have the same Minigame that it played last year. If you push 4, you get a little Minigame where there's a yellow pixel and a blue pixel that light up, and you have to use the arrow keys to move the yellow pixel to catch the blue pixel, and when you catch it, you get a point. And then after 20 seconds, it tallies up all of your points and shows you your score by flashing however many points you got on the lights. So, should be getting close to done. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 points that round. The last feature is a new minigame that I added. And with the new minigame, if you push 1, you get a little roulette wheel. And if you catch the roulette wheel when it's over 11's head, you get a surprise. But if you catch the roulette wheel when it's not over 11's head, then you lose. So I'll show you what it looks like both ways, hopefully, if I can get it to win. So I push 1 and I get the roulette wheel. And then the up arrow will catch the roulette wheel. So I got it on 11's head. And then if I play the roulette wheel game, but I catch it when it's not over 11's head, the lights just turn red and then turn off again because I lose. So that's the Ugly Christmas Sweater for this year. Perfect for any holiday party or just for freaking out your friends. Thank you very much.